Hi, I'm Linda Evans. I know from my own personal experience and the experience of others,
The Masquerade Face.
System is an investment that can produce amazing results for your
Society Experience.
Now, in just a few seconds, we're going to take you step by step through the setup and operation of your
The Masquerade Face.
so you can start achieving your own results, fitting the mask to your face and operating the controls.
Before preparing your mask for your first facial session, it is very important to properly fit the headband and mask so that they are comfortable and positioned correctly on the face. The headband is easily adjusted by unhooking the Velcro and sliding the strap through the clips to tighten or loosen the headband. The first time you position the mask on your face, you will likely want to use a mirror to help you align it properly. The headband is now adjusted correctly.
Well, as you saw,
The Masquerade Face.
very easy to assemble and operate, so give your face a treat. The sooner you get started, the sooner you'll be enjoying results like the ones I've seen and many others have experienced. The kinds of changes that will allow you to feel a whole lot better about yourself, especially when you're looking in that mirror.